Hello everyone, Cameron and Matt here from KRCS Coventry, and we're going to be getting our hands on Apple's new Magic Keyboard. So Matt, if you'd like to take it out of the box, let's have a look. So it's about the same size as Apple's regular wireless keyboard, but if we're to tilt it on the side, it's actually a little bit thinner. So not only is this a new design, but Apple have actually gotten rid of the old battery solution, and instead we charge it up using the lightning lead. Apple actually say that the battery life on this is so good that one charge could get about a month's worth of use out of it, so no need to be worrying about getting new batteries for this one. Very, very sleek indeed. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. We have got a lightning cable to charge it up, always very handy. And we've also got an instruction manual as well, just in case there's anything more you need to know about the keyboard. Okay, so that's Apple's new Magic Keyboard. Over to Matt to find out how much it is.
So the new Magic Keyboard has a price of £79, which is slightly more expensive than the previous generation, but don't let that put you off. With its new charging technologies, form factor and typing mechanism, it is definitely worth the slightly higher price bracket. If you want any more information on this product, then don't hesitate to give us a call or pop in the store and we'll happily show one to you and show you how it works. So anyway, I've been Matt, and also thanks to Cameron for the help on the video as well. See you soon. Have a good Christmas.